You guys want to be on YouTube? Welcome to retirement life. This is what it's like when you retire. You go out and you got a nice boat and a camper. This is July 5th, out here partying. Almost fell there, sorry about that. Retirement life at its best. There's boats everywhere. People everywhere. People are having a good time. Like the big raft. It gets really deep over here. Sandbars. Got this lady over here struggling. Where's she at? There she is. It's so deep. Watch the anchor. She can barely swim. It's so deep. Somebody going out to rescue her. That's funny. It gets deep right there. And it's shallow at other places, you know. It's like deep in one spot and shallow at the next spot. So we're by Sand Point. The winds are coming out of the southwest, so they had to move it from the south side to the north side, which I kept telling them to do that. They finally listened. You got 10 to 20 mile an hour winds, you got to be on the this is where it's calm at. Well, there's a lot of boats here today. I don't know how many boats are here, but there are boats all the way out in the sandbar. This is not the sandbar. A lot of boats. I hope all the stuff I'll be able to use audio-wise. Red, they're trying to find their football. They can't find their football. Somebody didn't give it back. This guy's trying to find his purple football he was throwing way over here. Could have hurt somebody with it. Somebody took it away from him. I think that's a good idea. Because it was way over there. It's Smart Smith in retirement life, man. Enjoying life. Enjoying it to the fullest. You're on YouTube. This is the way to go, man, I tell you. These are our neighbors at our campground. That's Amanda. Her husband's all pissed off and he's down underneath the, my wife over there talking to her. Whoops. I guess Scott doesn't want me to tape that.
still sulking?
Yeah, he's upside. He's still on the side. A lot of people back over that way too.